Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Conflux. I haven't covered this in a while, but I wanted to cover it again today because a lot of you requested it, first of all. I'm just cleaning up the chart right now a little bit, but yeah, it's been a while. I wanted to cover it. I think it's a great project. Long term has a lot of potential, definitely with the ties it has to China. Short term though, what you can see is that the volume has been steady, but the volume we're at right now is the lowest we've been in the last month and perhaps even last months. So the trend and the hype and the bullish momentum is kind of out of the price. So in this video I wanted to talk about when we can actually expect some bullish momentum again, because the last time we got bullish momentum really is the 24th of April, which is it's 3 weeks ago already. So that's kind of what I wanted to zoom into in this video, because short term I still think the price is down. But I do think that there are some levels coming up from which we can actually have some bullish momentum and perhaps even rally. But we'll talk about that. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. I have my own trading signal group. It has been very profitable. You can also ask around. Everybody will say that because the results are all visible and transparent also for you. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. So Conflux right now, we have dropped down to this level right here around 24 cents, which is a pretty strong support level. All right, and you can also see that we're finding some decent support there. We dropped down a bit on Friday when we had a Bitcoin also spiking down, but that was more of a fake out. So altogether we're holding this, and I actually do think that we can get some bullish momentum from here. So up to 27, 27 and a half, 28 cents. The problem is that I do not think this level, technically, so unless Bitcoin rallies, if Bitcoin goes up to 28,000, Conflux will follow. But I do not expect that. So it's all up. Like, I think we can get there. I do not think we can break above that. So right now we're kind of stuck in this consolidation between 28 cents and 24 cents. And if you zoom out, the trend is still down, which is not a great thing. So at this point of time, I still think that even though we can expect some bullish momentum, I still expect us to at some point drop down as well. So then we have to kind of analyze what a strong support level is. So the strongest support level by far, in my eyes, is 20 cents. 20 cents, as you can see on the chart right here, held us up during very, very bearish times for quite a couple of touches. It's a big psychological support level. And on the daily time frame, it also has the 200 EMA close. There's this other level though, right here around 22 and 22 and a half cents. Minor psychological support level, also strong technically. So what's going to happen is that, like I said, we can actually continue to consolidate a little bit here on top of 24 cents. Excuse me, get some bullish momentum. But in the end, I think at some point we'll drop down, and then from 22 and a half cents, the level that's going to hold us and the level from which we can actually get some bullish momentum is the first level from which we can get a bullish breakout. So we're first going to drop down to 22 cents. If from there we can break above 24 and 25 cents, then that's going to be our support. And then from there we can probably rally a little. If, however, we drop down, which for me is rather the question when we will drop down and not if, but when we will drop down to 22 cents and we cannot break above 24 cents within a couple of days, then we're going to drop down further towards 20 cents. And then from 20 cents, we will probably find support and rally a little bit. So it's just, we'll have to see per support level what kind of support we get there. Can we get that bullish breakout and therefore bullish confirmation or not? And from there, we'll anticipate the next moves. So that's my take on Conflux as it stands right now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.